Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, September the 26th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The binary jigsaw Sudoku. In this one, you are interested. The 4 stars Sudoku number 9337. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. A 4 stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. It's indicated by the publisher. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 3 twos, 4 threes, 3 fours, 2 fives, 1 6, 3 fives, yeah, 1 6, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the threes are a majority. Can I start with 3? 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 3 should be there. 8 and a 9, need a 9 here. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. 9. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 in these 2 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 7. Need a 6. Need a 6, 7. Need a 8. Need an 8 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay. Need a 2, 2, 2. 6, 4. 6, 4, 3. 9. No 9 here. 9 should be here. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 9, 2. 6 and the 7. 7. Come on. 5. Come on. Need a 9 here or there. This one is also a tough one. 3, 9, and a 5, 5. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 3 boxes. We have 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5. And we have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left and 5 in this big square. Should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left 8. Should be there. Need a 5 here. 5, 7, 2. Yeah. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 7, the 2, and the 5. We have a 7, a 2, and a 5 in this big square, so no 7, and 2, and a 5 in these 3 boxes. 7, 2, and a 5 goes in those 3 boxes. We have a 5 here, so the 7 and the 2 are left. 7, 2, and 5. Okay, so what are these 3 missing numbers in this row? 1 is missing. 2, we have a 2 here. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1, 6, 9. That means the other two missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 there. Need a 3 here. Need a 1 here. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. 6, 7. No 9 here. 9, 9, 6, 5. We have a triplet again. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 5, the 9, and 6. 5, 9, and 6 in the third row. No 5, 9, and 6 in these 3 boxes. 5, 9, and 6 goes in those 3 boxes. 5, 6, and a 9. 5, 6, and a 9. 5, 6, and a 9. And here we have a 5, so 6 and a 9. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8. We have a 3 and a 7. In this column, those 3 and a 7 in this box. 3 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. So 1 digit left. Should be the 8. Need an 8 here. 7. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. We need a 2 in this row. Well, here can be 2. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. And here we have a 2. Here we have a 2. Well, here could be also a 2. It's not quite correct here. 3, 3, need a 3. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so in the row between only 3 places left. The 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place left with 3 should be there. Need a 1 here. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the only 2 places left with 1 could be here, could be there. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. Oh, we have a pair. The 4 and the 8 in this column, the 4 and 8 in the column next on the last column. The only 2 places left with 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other 2 should be the 6 and the 9. Okay. 3, 3, 3, 9, 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 4, 8. How about here? I need a 2 here. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Need a 5 here. We have 5 in this row, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So if eliminated here, the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing here. 2 numbers left now, the 5 and wait, 1, 2, 3. 159, 159, 159, 159. We have a 5, 1, 9, 1, 5 and a 9. Okay. 1, 5. 5 in this row, 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left with 5. Could be here, could be there. Need a 5, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. Here can be 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be there. So here should be the 6 and the 9 then. We need a 5 in this column. Here give me 5, we have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. Here give me 5, we have a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. Only place level 5 in this column, should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column the only place level 1, should be there. 6 or a 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 6. 5 and then 9 are left. Here 6 and then 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 9 goes there. 5 and a 9, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 4 and 8, need to wait. 1, 1, 1, 1. About the 8. And 2, 1 and 4. 2, 1 and 4. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between middle row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 here. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2, 2, 2, 2, okay. 4, 5, I need a 6 here. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left, the 6 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Okay, so the other 3 should be missing the 1 here. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1, it should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and 4. Here 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and the 7. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place level 9 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in this row, middle row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Then 7 and 2. Here 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 6. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are missing. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 4 and 8, we have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in this row, 4 in the 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 2 or a 7, we have a 7 here, so this box should be a 2. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between the middle row. Only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 and a 7, we have a 1 in this second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in the second, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2 is missing, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes, quicker than the previous Sudoku. Well. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star, not a 4, not a 3. And we solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. If you think so, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet again in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.